In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image hover effects in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account before making any changes. This is important because hover effects need to be added within the specific account and page where your image lives. Once you're in the right sub-account, look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard. From that menu, click on Sites. This is where your web assets, including funnels and pages, are managed. After that, click on Funnel so you can access the page you want to work on. Next, open the funnel page where your image is located and click Edit. This will launch the page builder where you can modify the design and settings of individual elements. Once you're inside the page editor, find the image element you want to animate and click on it. Selecting the correct image is key because the settings panel on the right will update based on whatever element is currently active. Now move to the right-hand sidebar and navigate to the Animations tab. This is where Gohighlevel lets you control motion and interaction effects for that selected image. From there, click on Entrance Animation. Even though the label says Entrance Animation, this section also includes hover animation options for the image. Under the Hover Animation section, choose the effect you want to apply. You'll see several different styles available, and each one creates a different experience when someone moves their cursor over the image. You can choose Fade if you want a softer, more subtle visual effect. Slide is useful if you want the image to feel more dynamic with directional movement. Bounce gives the image a more energetic reaction, which can be helpful if you want to draw extra attention to it. There's also Flip, which creates a more dramatic transition effect. Rotate adds a turning motion and can make the image feel more interactive. Zoom is a popular choice if you want the image to feel like it's coming closer to the viewer when hovered over. Another option is Light Speed, which gives a faster, more animated feel. And finally, you can use Infinite Loop if you want the animation behavior to continue repeatedly based on that effect style. As you test these options, keep the overall design of your page in mind. A subtle effect often works best for professional pages, while stronger animations can be useful for promotions or featured sections. After selecting the hover effect you like, make sure to review how it looks on the page so the motion feels smooth and matches the rest of your design. And that's how to add image hover effects in Gohighlevel.